create these adorable digital printed greeting cards that make them look like they came out of a gallery. If you want to know how I did it, keep on watching. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. So, a little culture today. We're going to generate Christmas cards with different forms of art. So we are going to feel like we are going to art history class today. We are going to be utilizing snowman, a Christmas tree, and a Christmas village in various art styles. We can mix them all in a pack. We can create individual packs. We can put them all in one pack, sell it on Etsy, make them all into PNG files, and upload them as an entire Christmas art pack. There's a lot of things that you could do with these Christmas images. You can make them into digital cards. You can make them into wall hangings. You can do whatever it is that you want to do with them. But I thought it would be fun to take you through the different styles in artwork. So we're going to use my favorite tool, Midjourney, to create our images and our different art styles. I know a lot of people take for granted that art styles have names and, art styles have styles. We just look at it as, oh, that's a cool piece of art. But some artwork is mid-century, some art is Art Nouveau, some art is pop art, some art is graffiti and street art. There's so many different types of artwork out there. So I thought it would be a whole lot of fun to just give a little tutorial on how we can create the same theme but in different art styles so you can see the difference. It's really cool. So after our speed-induced challenge yesterday for Vlogmas 5, we're going to slow it down a little bit and we're going to get cultured. Think about how fancy we're all going to look when we get people Christmas cards and they'll be like, oh, that's the Art Nouveau. Oh, this is inspired by pop art. We're going to look so cool. I can't wait. But remember to always do your research and make sure that we know what we're talking about when we're using ChatGPT. We do not want to get caught out there with a serious connoisseur that says, oh, this is not blah, 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 blah. So get your teacups, get your pinkies up, because we are about to embark on an art lesson. Let's go. Today we are doing different art style Christmas cards, where you're going to see a lot of the different art styles that we can create artwork in. So the first thing that we would do is we were going to Pinterest and see what kind of art styles there are. So as you can see, there's a lot of pretty art styles here. But it's not really telling us what art styles they are, except for the mid-century one that you see in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT, where we can ask ChatGPT what are all the art styles, and it's going to list it out for us. Watch. ChatGPT is listing all of the art styles now. There's realism, impressionism, expressionism, romanticism, classicism, baroque, rococo, neoclassicism, symbolism, Fauvism, cubism, surrealism, all the isms. So we're going to go here to Midjourney and we're going to type out a prompt. And we are going to copy and paste one of the prompts that I was playing with here and say, please give me beautiful. And let's go copy and paste here. Beautiful realism. Beautiful realism art style illustrations. Of a Christmas tree. Of a beautiful Christmas tree. Let's see what we got. Realism, accurate, lifelike depictions of the subject. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I really like that a lot. That's cute. That's cute too. So that is the realism art style with a Christmas tree. Now I think I want to try it with a Christmas snowman. Let's see what we got. Oh, he's sweet. I love all of them. How cute. Now we'll go to Impressionism. Now we'll go to Impressionism. I think all of these isms are pretty similar, so let's see what it comes up with. Sometimes it's hard to tell a difference in isms. See, it kind of looks, this one's different. I like this one. How neat of a gift is this? Or how neat would this be to sell? Christmas cards with different art styles. Usually you see one art style in a Christmas card pack, but it's so cool to see a lot of different styles in one art pack. That way you get a nice variety. Oh, so cute. See, so you really can't tell the difference in isms. I mean, if you have a trained eye, you can, but the great thing about this prompt is that you can just change some words and it can change the art feel for you. You know, you don't have to type it all over again each time. See, so kind of similar, not too much of a difference. So let's try fauvism. Oh, that's cute. I like this one. Yay for fauvism. Oh, the snowman's cute too. I like the art style. I think this is gonna be one of the ones we're gonna pick. So let's try cubism. You know, the great thing about this, guys, is that the possibilities are endless. All you have to do is change the words in the prompt. I love Midjourney. Oh, that's cool. Cute. Let's go to futurism. Oh, this is cool. That's different. Let's try it with our snowman. Guys, don't forget to double check your art styles, just so you know that what you're getting is correct. You know, this is kind of cute at the end. He kind of matches. Let's try pop art. No, I like the pop art. This is really cute. Oh, I think these are a lot of fun. I think we can choose a nice one here. So let's now go to Art Deco. Let's see what an Art Deco Christmas tree looks like. That's really pretty. Kinetic art. Let's try that. All of these are super cute. I can see all of these on Christmas cards. And you can also take all of these, download them, put it into PNG files and upload them to Etsy and sell it as a Christmas art style art pack. This way your customers decide which art pack they want to use, or they could branch it out by specific art pack for, you know, they can make an Art Deco art pack. They can make a ism art pack. You know what I'm saying? Or you can mix them. This is cute. Let's rerun. Let's change the words a little bit. Let's write kinetic art for the Christmas tree. Let's see what happens. Let's go to collage art. Is that basuralte that I see there? Wow, okay, so I'm using ChatGPT a lot, so it kind of knows me already. That's kind of cool. Kind of scary and cool at the same time. I guess the more you know, the more you use ChatGPT, the more it gets to know you and your style. So it's going to include things from your previous work. That's really cool. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this collage style tree. Guys, we are going to look so cultured when people see our beautiful, different art style Christmas cards. We're so full of knowledge of these art styles. I just love AI. But again, it's really important to cross-reference, and you know, we don't want to look silly like we don't know what we're talking about. We want to always do our research so what we are claiming matches what we are putting out. This is how we learn, and this is how we teach others. I feel like I'm back in art school. I want to try mid-century style. Let's see. So feel free to experiment with many different art styles. You can also do different cultures too. That'd be fun. You just have to make sure that the cultures do celebrate the holiday. Again, do your research. Let's try a mid-century Christmas village. So now let's get a little bit creative. And let's try street art. I'm curious as to what graffiti street art is gonna look like here. Let's try it on a brick wall. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I really love that snowman on the brick wall. So here you go. Then you go to organize in Midjourney and you select all of the files that you want to download. Click download. It's going to go into your download folder. Then you're going to create another folder where you're going to name it, I guess, Christmas art. Unzip all of those files, and then you can go ahead and get rid of the zip files to save space on your computer. And then you can open them up or put them in specific order by art pack. They're all PNG files. And you can go ahead and sort them out yourself and upload them to your Etsy shops or to your digital stores as art packs. If you go through Etsy, you're going to see how many different art packs there are. There will be a place for your artwork. So yeah, guys, this is how our adorable artwork looks when it's printed out and put into our cards. How cute is that? It looks like you got it in a gallery in New York. So cute. Don't you just love the way they came out? I love the way they came out. These, I think he's my, I don't know. This one's my favorite. I don't know. I kind of like him too. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. You know I love the comments. This is such a cute way for you to stand out while everybody else is just creating regular art packs of Christmas cards. You have gone ahead, would have created greeting cards with multiple styles of art. That is an amazing side hustle for the holidays, or even if you want to give them as gifts. I think this is just a really cute idea. You guys should do it. Let me know if you try it. If you're new here and you like this content, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina. Please like and subscribe, and please comment. Let me know which art style is your favorite and if you guys are going to try this project. If you guys are interested in all of those images that we generated, I'm going to have a link below in case you want to go snag them. You can even include, if you're going to do a greeting card, if we're making greeting cards, we can even include a little message on the back of the greeting card giving a history of the type of art style that we've used to generate our Christmas card. Now, how cool is that? It gives it that little extra touch to impress the recipient of this card. It makes it feel like it's a real piece of art rather than just a card that they throw away. Maybe they'd like the image, maybe they'd like to hang it up for next year's Christmas decor. Who knows? But it's definitely an impressive piece. I love the digital product aspect of this. I love the fact that we're able to go in and dive and ask ChatGPT to research these things and then go into Midjourney and generate these images. It takes us to spaces that we wouldn't normally go to. I really love that. I really love the freedom of having to explore. I think that it is a really neat tool to have. And I think that, you know, when dealing with digital marketing and digital products, it really expands our capabilities and expands our horizons, and we can create a whole lot more and go a whole lot further in a shorter period of time. I think that that is awesome. It wouldn't have been possible had I not taken the most amazing course in the world, which, you know, I'll link below just in case you want to check it out. But, you know, like I always say, it never hurts to look, especially if you're looking to get into this digital product world and expand your sources of income. check it out. Do yourself a favor and check it out. You're going to love what you see. I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. Then I came back and revisited it. And then I came back and revisited it. And then I said, okay, I'm going to stop playing around. And I dived in, and I'm so glad that I did, because I'm that much ahead. I really feel confident with what I'm doing with generating this digital artwork, and I'm even more excited that I get to integrate it with my DIYs and that I get to come here and teach you all about it. Having said that, this is the end of the video, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas number 7. Peace.